Today we are working on the HP Latex 3000 series printer. We will be replacing the ink's pressure sensor in slot 1 optimizer. First, we need to put the printer into diagnostics mode. I already have it in diagnostics mode, but to get there simply click on Printer Tools, Power Options, Restart in diagnostics mode. Next, we need to disconnect the ink cartridge. Place a rag around the back side of the pressure sensor. This is to prevent any ink that may leak out when removing the sensor. Grab your pressure sensor. The part number is CZ05667070. Now that you have your sensor, take note of the gain and effect of your sensor. Since we are only using the one sensor for optimizer, we will only need the first set of numbers: gain 263, offset 509. Using a T10 Torx, remove the two screws holding the sensor in place. You can now remove the sensor and disconnect the cable. Follow the cable back to the APS board and remove it. This cable goes to APS 1. We now want to feed the new cable up to the APS and reconnect it. Connect the new sensor and carefully place it back in place. You can now screw the sensor back on. In Print Care, we will calibrate the sensor. Go to Diagnostics. Scroll down to number 22, Ink Delivery System. You will want to uncheck all of the boxes. Select Calibrate Pressure Sensor and click Run. Here is where you will enter the values from the pressure sensor. We only changed out the optimizer on this printer, so we will enter the values for sensor OP gain and sensor OP offset. Now that all sensor and offsets have been entered, click Continue. If the values were entered correctly, you will get a Diagnostics Finished OK message. You can now restart the printer in normal mode by clicking Printer Tools at the top. Select Power Options, then Restart. Once the printer is restarted, reconnect your ink cartridges. Thank you for watching the video. If you are having issues with your HP Latex 3000, 1500, 2700, or 570 printers, and would like a video on how to resolve the issue, please comment below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe to be updated on all of our videos.